Those guys over there are called nene, or Hawaiian goose. The nene, or Hawaiian goose's scientific name is Branata sandivicius. Once on the brink of extinction, Hawaii's state bird, the nene, is now a recovery success story found only in Hawaii. This medium-sized goose does not migrate, but may fly from one island to another with reduced webbing on their feet. They are not great swimmers. Instead, their feet have long toes and padding to help them walk over Hawaii's rocky terrain. Range, scrub forests, grasslands, and volcanic slopes with sparser vegetation. Diet: berries, flowers, leaves, and seeds.